While everyone's buying the same old tech, a few genius Amazon finds are flying under the radar and solving problems you didn't even know you had. I tracked down 18 of the coolest ones that are about to explode in popularity. If you love discovering unique gadgets like these, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment. All product links are in the description below. ELECFREAKS Microbit XJOYROOM Kit. This self-balancing robotic car isn't just a toy, it's a complete STEM education platform that teaches coding through actual hands-on engineering. Built with a brushless motor and industrial-grade metal servos, it stays balanced on 2 wheels while you program it with MakeCode or Python. Over 8,000 students and hobbyists are already using this to learn robotics the fun way. Whether you're building autonomous navigation or experimenting with sensor integration, this kit turns complex concepts into exciting achievements that actually work. Rechargeable LED flashlight, 2000 lumen. Forget every cheap flashlight you've ever owned because this 2000 lumen beast makes them look like birthday candles with 9 different lighting modes, including strobe and SOS. You're covered for camping trips, power outages, and roadside emergencies. The magnetic base sticks to your car hood while you work, and the IP65 waterproof rating means rain won't stop you. At this price point, with USB-C fast charging, you're getting professional-grade illumination without the professional price tag. Reviewers say it outshines flashlights costing 3 times more. Cordless, brushless handheld vacuum. This compact powerhouse proves you don't need a massive vacuum for quick cleanups that actually matter. The brushless motor delivers serious suction, while the cordless design means you're grabbing it for car interiors, keyboard crumbs, and kitchen messes without wrestling cables. It charges via USB-C in under 2 hours and runs for 25 minutes of continuous use. Pet owners are raving about how it handles fur on furniture, and the washable filter saves you money on replacements. For tight spaces and sudden spills, this is your instant solution that lives up to the hype. XEANIXIE Nixie tube clock. If you want a conversation piece that's actually functional, this retro Nixie tube clock delivers that warm vintage glow everyone obsesses over. Real Nixie tubes display the time with RGB backlighting you can customize to match your mood or room aesthetic. Wi-Fi connectivity means it auto syncs the time, and you can switch between 12 and 2/4-hour formats instantly. Tech enthusiasts and design lovers are both adding this to their desks because it bridges that rare gap between nostalgic beauty and modern smart features. It's not just telling time, it's setting the entire vibe. A SHARGEEK 140W power bank. When your laptop and phone are both dying and you're nowhere near an outlet, this transparent 140-watt monster becomes your lifeline. The 200,000 mAh capacity can fully charge a MacBook Pro or refuel your phone 5 times over, and the built-in screen shows exactly how much power remains. Content creators love it because one power bank handles their entire mobile setup, and the transparent design shows off the internal tech that makes it work. With USB-C power delivery and multiple ports, you're fast charging everything simultaneously while looking absolutely futuristic doing it. A HOZO NeoRulerGO digital tape measure. Stop fumbling with traditional tape measures that bend, break, and give you inconsistent readings because this laser-powered smart tool changes everything. It measures curved surfaces, straight lines, and irregular shapes with digital precision, then sends the data straight to your phone via Bluetooth. Carpenters and DIY enthusiasts say it cuts their measuring time in half while eliminating human error completely. The rechargeable battery lasts weeks, and the compact size means it's always in your pocket when you need it. One user called it the measuring tool that finally entered the 21st century. JOYROOM wearable Bluetooth speaker. Imagine having your music follow you without earbuds blocking your ears or speakers weighing down your bag. That's exactly what this clip-on genius delivers. The IP67 waterproof rating means you're running in the rain, showering, or sweating through workouts without worry. Bluetooth 5.4 keeps the connection rock solid up to 30 feet away, and the built-in LED light adds visibility for night runs. Fitness lovers are clipping these onto shirt collars, backpack straps, and bike handlebars because the sound quality genuinely surprises for something this tiny and lightweight. EASEGMER retro handheld game console. Nostalgia just became portable with this retro gaming system loaded with 168 classic games that defined childhoods. The 3.0-inch IPS screen delivers crisp visuals, and the 2.4G wireless 2-player mode means you're challenging friends to Street Fighter battles anywhere. Parents are buying these for road trips because kids stay entertained for hours without internet or app store nonsense. The rechargeable battery provides 6 hours of gameplay, and the entire interface feels exactly like the original consoles we grew up with. It's pure, Uncomplicated gaming fun without microtransactions ruining the experience. Feki Yigo EDC, flat flashlight 1800 lumens. This isn't just another flashlight, it's a multi-tool for light itself with white LED, UV detection, and RGB signaling modes all in one flat package. The magnetic clip attaches to your belt pocket or metal surfaces while the 1800 Lumen main beam cuts through complete darkness. EDC enthusiasts use the UV mode to check currency and spot stains, while the RGB modes work for emergency signaling or creative lighting. The rechargeable battery with USB-C charging means you're never buying disposable batteries again. It's the kind of versatile tool that finds 20 uses you never expected. NexTool W4 adjustable ratchet wrench. Carrying an entire toolbox becomes unnecessary when this one won. One foldable multi-tool delivers pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, and an adjustable ratchet wrench in one pocket-sized package. The ratchet mechanism alone saves you from awkward angles during repairs, and the folding design protects every tool when it's closed. Campers and DIY builders say it handles 90% of unexpected fixes without needing to run back for more tools. The stainless steel construction feels substantial, and the nylon sheath keeps it secure on your belt. It's the emergency repair kit that actually fits in your everyday carry. CouchConsole Armrest Caddy. Your couch is about to become infinitely more functional with this simple organizer that holds drinks, snacks, remotes, and your phone all within arm's reach. It slides over any armrest without installation, and the cup holder keeps drinks stable even when you're reaching for the remote. Families with kids love it because juice boxes finally have a safe spot, and movie night stops involving paused films to find the disappeared remote. The phone stand props your screen at the perfect viewing angle while charging cables route through cleanly. It's stupid simple and shockingly effective at ending couch chaos. Belkin 3 in one MagSafe travel charger. Apple users know the pain of traveling with separate chargers for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. This key 2 certified folding pad solves that entire problem in one elegant device. The MagSafe alignment clicks your phone into perfect position every time, and the foldable design collapses flat for packing. 15 watts of fast charging power means your iPhone reaches 50% in under 30 minutes. Business travelers call it essential because hotel nightstands finally stay organized, and the Belkin reliability means it's working flawlessly years from now. Premium build quality that justifies every dollar. DeLUX wireless mouse presenter combo. Why carry both a mouse and a presentation remote when this 2-in-1 device handles both jobs perfectly? Switch from precise cursor control to laser pointer presentation mode with one button, and the rechargeable battery eliminates the AA battery anxiety before big meetings. Teachers and consultants love it because the slim profile disappears in a laptop bag, yet the ergonomic shape stays comfortable during all-day use. Bluetooth and USB receiver dual connectivity means it works with any device, and the pointer visibility works even in bright conference rooms. It's professional functionality without the bulk. 0 in 8, 0 in 1 electric screwdriver, every phone repair, laptop upgrade, and electronics project just got easier with this comprehensive kit containing 162 precision magnetic bits and 3 torque modes. The electric driver handles delicate smartphone screws without stripping them, while higher torque tackles tougher jobs instantly. The magnetic bits snap in and out without fumbling, and the organized case means you're finding the right bit in seconds instead of minutes. Tech repair enthusiasts say this rivals kits costing twice as much, and the LED work light illuminates tight spaces perfectly. It's professional grade precision for hobbyist prices. WUBEN X4 EDC LED flashlight 1500 lumens. Compact enough to disappear in your pocket, yet powerful enough to light up entire campsites, this 1500. Lumen flashlight redefines what everyday carry means. The RGB secondary lights add functionality for night vision preservation or emergency signaling, while the IP68 rating survives underwater submersion and accidental drops. The magnetic tail cap sticks to metal surfaces for hands-free work lighting, and the tactical switch gives you instant access to turbo mode. EDC collectors call it the perfect size-to-power ratio, and the aircraft-grade aluminum body feels indestructible. It's ready for anything, always. Magnetic tool wristband becomes your third hand. The magnetic wristband becomes your third hand that never drops anything metal. Strong embedded magnets hold dozens of screws, bits, nails, and small tools right on your wrist where you need them most. The adjustable strap fits any wrist size comfortably, and the breathable fabric means you're wearing it for hours without irritation. Contractors and furniture assemblers say it speeds up work by 30% because you're not constantly searching for dropped hardware. It's brilliantly simple technology solving an age-old frustration that everyone who builds anything instantly appreciates. Orson Zip Trifold Mini Projector. This pocket-sized projector transforms any wall into a 100-inch screen, making it the ultimate portable entertainment solution for travelers and spontaneous movie nights. The 50000 battery runs for 2 hours on a single charge, and one-click screen mirroring from your phone means setup takes literal seconds. The DLP technology delivers surprisingly sharp images even in partially lit rooms, and the trifold design protects the lens automatically when closed. Van lifers and hotel warriors are calling it essential because big screen entertainment finally travels without bulk. Presentations, movies, or gaming, all in your pocket. Antiqui 2 precision screwdriver. When you're opening up expensive electronics, you need surgical precision, and this specialized screwdriver delivers exactly that with its comprehensive bit set for phones, laptops, and consoles. The precision motor provides controlled torque that won't strip delicate screws, and the magnetic bits hold tiny screws securely. The compact design reaches into tight spaces where full-size drivers can't fit, and the LED ring illuminates your work area perfectly. Repair technicians and hobbyists say it makes smartphone battery replacements feel professional, and the rechargeable battery never quits mid-project. It's the gentle touch electronics deserve.